Now, Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
If you were to watch this Zephyr camera looking, you can see it dancing the hula already. That's signifying our winds are starting to strengthen, and that's what we have across the board. High threats, including the winds, as we move into tomorrow, looking at some strong winds. And in that anticipation, we have that high wind watch that is posted, taking effect tomorrow afternoon through Saturday afternoon. Along with the strengthening winds, we have the small craft advisory, which then will be replaced tomorrow evening with a gale watch. And then for offshore waters, we have a gale warning taking place all day through tomorrow. Now, what we're looking at is the strong high winds with a new high pressure system, a quite strong high pressure system, bringing that some 25 to 40 mile per hour sustained winds, gusts up to 60. In terms of the rain, we're going to be seeing this weak cold front start to impact the island of Kauai tonight. We're already starting to see some sprinkles come down. That's going to be moving through the island chain through tomorrow, bringing some moisture across the entire state. And then we have another source of moisture, and that's a Kona low, a low pressure system developing west of the islands. Now, once we get through the weekend, Sunday into Monday, we have some uncertainty. Uncertainty in terms of the winds and its direction, and that will be, of course, due to the uncertainty to this system. One model shows this raising higher, creating drier conditions to start off the Christmas week for us here in the islands. The other model shows that moisture brought back over the islands, creating a prolonged period of stormy activity, including some thunderstorm activity possible to start off the week. If this were to move back over the islands, it's going to pull our trade winds up from an uncomfortable southern direction, creating some strong Kona winds starting the week, lasting through Christmas Eve, possibly into Christmas Day. So what we're looking for tomorrow are rain chances. This is looking at about 7 o'clock. On the east end of the islands is some moisture continuing to be brought in with the trade winds. But as we see for Kauai, high 80% chance of rain for mainly the windward sides, and that has to do with the cold front. And most of the showers that we will be seeing with these strong winds coming in from the east, of course, will be impacting the eastern portions of the islands. We do have 8 to 12 footers up north, 4 to 6 for the west. Box jellyfish visiting us on the south-facing shores, 6 to 8 for the east. You can expect this to have a high surf advisory posted, with those numbers rising because of the strong trade winds coming through. So that's what we're going to be seeing tomorrow. Sustained winds at 40 miles per hour starting tomorrow, lasting through the weekend. Well, then it'll start to taper off. And again, it's Monday. Uncertainty in terms of if we're going to be having strong, heavy showers or lighter showers, and even if we're going to have these easterly trades continue, or if that's going to be replaced with some uncomfortable southerly Kona winds lasting through Christmas. But as of right now, it looks to be a 20% chance of rain for the Christmas holiday, but keep that jacket handy just in case. Guys, toss it back to you.